something about the film.
For me, the film is majorly about fun and friendship and कैसे हम दोस्ती में एक दूसरे से बहुत मजाक करते हैं and कभी-कभी मजाक में बहुत प्रॉब्लम या सीरियसनेस हो जाती है, तो कैसे वो सिचुएशन हो जाती है चेंज. So it's about that.
Movie is also about nostalgia. आप अपने स्कूल डेज को रिलीव करते हो और जैसे सावन ने कहा कि हम काफी मस्ती भी करते हैं और कभी-कभी कुछ गलतियां भी हो जाती है. बट अगेन जब आपकी फ्रेंडशिप स्ट्रांग रहती है और बॉन्डिंग स्ट्रांग रहती है, देन वी आर देयर फॉर ईच अदर.
Just a fun film that'll leave a smile on your face once it's finished with, and you'll leave the theater feeling happy.
This very special bond between all the characters. Tell me, what was the mood on set and how did you guys bond so that that chemistry could come out on screen?
हमने काफी मस्ती करी सेट पे. तो कभी-कभी हम लोग ने V3 सावंत एंड करण हमने बीच-बीच में प्लान भी किया था, यू नो, टू एक प्रैंक वैंक करेंगे सेट पे, जो कभी सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो पाता था. तो ऐसे हम लोग ने काफी फन चीजें करी है और ब्रेक के टाइम पे भी हम करण के वैनिटी में चिल करते थे, गाने वाने सुनते थे, ऐसी वीडियोस बनाते थे डांस करते हुए. और वी यूज्ड टू प्ले वीडियो गेम्स, हम लूडो बहुत खेलते थे ऑन सेट. तो ये सारी चीजें it brought us together, it brought us closer to each other.
Since it's an adaptation, did you guys watch the film to bring that element of friendship and love, or you just went with your director's vision and played it naturally? How was the process for you guys?
मैंने ओरिजिनल फिल्म नहीं देखी थी बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली एक मेजर रीजन था कि अगर मैं देखता तो मैं सबकॉन्शियसली हो सकता है मैं उसको ही कॉपी करता. तो जब मेरे पास स्क्रिप्ट आई थी और मैंने राजू का कैरेक्टर डिस्क्रिप्शन पढ़ा, तो मैंने अपने हिसाब से ही सोचा कि वो कैसे हो सकता है. मैंने खुद ही एक राजू क्रिएट किया एंड देवेंद्र सर डायरेक्टर ही लाइक्ड इट. तो देवेंद्र सर ने खुद भी सजेस्ट किया था कि मत देखना जब तक शूट का प्रोसेस चल रहा है. तो या आई गेस जो मैंने प्ले किया, it came out very original.
Telugu film was a great film, but obviously we didn't want to imitate anyone over there, so we wanted to implement it in our own way and what we thought of the characters. And Devan actually worked closely all together with all of us. We did workshops and we ran through the lines quite a bit. So it was his vision of how he saw the character and what he thought the character was.
How important is it for you to pick up projects that can actually help you build an identity for yourself and get away from the shadow of your father and grandfather, of course?
It's basically what attracts me as an actor, what I believe in. So unless you believe in the script and the character excites you, there's no point of doing the film, because camera captures everything. The camera is your best friend and worst enemy simultaneously, because you can't hide from it. So if you're not convinced in what you're doing, the camera will capture it. Right. So to me, it was just what attracts me as Karan. What do I want to do?
You have to tell me who is the most Vela among you all in these basic categories. So who is the most Vela when it comes to social media?
Savant.
I think me inactive basically. Savant is active. I am inactive.
I am finally active on Instagram because of finally I am
most active. Karan is the least one. Yeah.
Okay. Who is the most Vela when it comes to love?
Sorry?
Love.
Huh? Vishesh is the most Vela when it comes to love.
Yeah, Vishesh.
ऐसे प्यार हो जाता है, मतलब कि बस सब ठीक.
अच्छा.
Fashion. Most Vela when it comes to fashion.
Anya.
Me.
Yeah.
Me. I was always in my pajamas.
Who is the most Vela when it comes to Bollywood films? कुछ नहीं पता है.
अच्छा. Actually हम चारों को पता है यार.
I guess me.
कोई वेला नहीं है, हम चारों को सब पता है.
हाँ, सावंत को सब पता है.
अच्छा, Vishesh is taking it for the
most, I would say.
हाँ, मैं सबसे ज़्यादा देखता हूँ.
अभी ये पता चल गया बहुत different taste है, but who's the most Vela when it comes to music?
I think Savant and I are more Vela when it comes to music. हमारी music choice बहुत ही मतलब
It's questionable, definitely. Some songs are definitely questionable. Yeah, that is.
Latest trends or pop culture, who's the most Vela when it comes to that?
All of us pretty
All
much,
of
I
us,
would say.
all of
Like,
us.
yeah, that way.
Amazing. Health and fitness.
Karan and Savan.
Hmm.
Karan.
I guess that's me probably.
We tried taking him to the gym one day, Vishesh. After that, he never came back again.
आया था मैं काम कर रहा था. ऐसा नहीं है.
Who's the most Vela when it comes to media interviews?
Media interviews.
Anya?
Anya.
I just joined.
Not here with us.
Anya, yeah, Anya, I would say that way, yeah. But